a quick little haul on some skincare products, mainly the Ordinary, and then I got one from Inkey, both kind of a cost-effective price point, so that's really great. They have them both at Sephora. I was out of eye cream and I was out of night cream, or cream I use in the night. So I really need to get it. I kept putting off buying it, so I finally just had to go and do it. So here it is, a little Sephora bag here. And without further ado, let's get started. First up here, we'll start with, I guess, the Inkey. This is the Inkey caffeinated eye cream. Hopefully it's focusing there. It's made with caffeine. My eyes tend to be puffy. I've always had this problem my whole life. It's been the bane of my existence. I've always hated it. I don't understand if you have person A with eyeballs and eye sockets and fluid in their system, and person B with eyeballs and eye sockets and fluid in their system. Why does person A have fluid under their eyes and person B does not? Please, somebody explain. I'd really like to know. Just lucky me. So that's it in the tube. I've not used it yet. I have one that I used Amazon that I really like, but I think I just change it up and try something different. So I'm trying this. We'll see how it goes. I actually got more. You get more in the one I get from Amazon, but I'm gonna give this a go, see how it is. Hopefully it helps. I feel like it's kind of a losing battle, but I'm gonna try anyway. So next up here is the Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing cream here. That's made with AHA, they're saying, or AHA, I think it's called, AHA factors, I don't know. But I tried it on the store and it has a really great feel to it. I like how it feels on the skin. I have a day cream that I use with SPF in it, but at night I don't use anything with SPF. So I got this for the night. I don't think it has SPF in it. I don't know, I didn't say so, but so anyway, I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. So this is for, I use it at night. And actually, yeah, I'll use it at night. So that's that. And then I got a couple of serums also from as well here. This one is Glycolic acid exfoliating serum. So this was, I think the prices below, I think everything was under $20. I mean, really, you can't beat that. This is a decent size here. That's focusing. Yeah, it's a decent size. I'm excited to try that for exfoliating. My skin is looking really rough, I feel like. Like I was in the Sephora and, I had my glasses on so I could see better. Unfortunately, you see a lot more then. I'm like, oh dear. My skin looked pretty rough, I feel like. So I'm excited to try this. I think my skin could use a little boost. It could definitely use a bit of a boost. And finally, the last thing I got was hyaluronic acid serum. I needed that. Again, another one that I had from Beauty Pie, which I really liked, but I didn't stick with the annual fee. Like I said before in another video, they that included free shipping, kind of like Amazon, which they changed midway through. You had to spend $50 to get free shipping, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of paying this fee. They say, oh well, you get discounted prices, but you don't know what the prices are because they're the only ones that make them. So it could be anything. So, and I wasn't as impressed with the products as I thought I would be. I love the packaging. Love the packaging. It was great. And I did like the hyaluronic acid, but I'm not doing it. So I got the one from the Ordinary. Again, this was below. I think this was like really inexpensive, like $8 or something like that, maybe even less. So, yep, that's my hyaluronic acid here, which I gotta start using again. I'll use the two combined, and I'm really hoping that combined, that my skin will look, a little glowy. So I feel like I need a little bit of a glow. There's the bottle there. Hopefully it's focusing. I don't know, but anyway, this is hyaluronic acid. So I'm excited to try those two together, and I'm really hoping to give my skin a little boost. I'll leave everything and information and links below. Like I said, everything was under $20. The IQ was like 11, so everything was under $20. So yeah, there you have it. That's my little mini ordinary haul, or ordinary and inky. If you like what you see here, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, join the family. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Let me know what kind of discount beauty products that you use. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.